So, what am I doing during quarantine and what is the update? What have I been doing to make money? How have I been spending my time? In this video, I'm going to cover all of that. And if you haven't already, go and check out my last video because although a lot of things have changed, there's still a lot of value for someone who's kind of like a beginner into entrepreneurship. So, go check out the last video where I talked about how I'm making money online and all those videos. But yeah, in this video, I'm going to talk about like what's been changed, what's new, and where I see myself in the upcoming months and weeks or however long this stuff lasts. So I know everyone's probably going to be like, Radies, you said you were going to upload a video every single day. What happened? And here's the thing. I'll be honest. I really did want to do that. I saw the value in it, and I genuinely thought it was a good idea. But I burnt out so fast. And for me, I used to post like 2 Instagram videos every single day, which if you haven't followed me on that, go follow me on Instagram right now. And I thought, I can do it on YouTube too. Why not? It should be easy. Turns out, figuring out that many YouTube ideas was very hard. And for me, it was kind of just like, I don't want to post shitty content. I don't want to post videos that are just like throwaway videos, like videos that I don't even want to post and just don't have a lot of value. So for me, it was just kind of like, okay, you know what? This isn't working out. Eventually I missed one day, I missed 2 days, and then, you know how procrastination works. I missed a week, and then I think it's been like maybe like a month now. It's been a while. And I do apologize for that, but I am back now. So let me just quickly do a recap on what my goals were for April. So you guys can kind of get an understanding of where my headspace was at and what I was thinking of doing and what has changed. So I also did a video setting these monthly goals. So if you haven't already checked that out, go check it out because I talk about how I set my goals and what my goals are. But for the most part, I'm reading 4 books. I did. Getting certain amount of YouTube subscribers, I did not do, obviously because I didn't post. Getting enough Instagram followers, I actually did do. Getting 2 agency clients. So if you guys didn't know, I started an email marketing agency, and here's what happened. The marketing agency went well. We got a client, we had signed contracts. It was very, very doable. I even I literally had a client, so it was not like it was hard or anything like that. It was very easy. But here's the thing, I did not like doing it at all. Like the money was there, everything was there, but I didn't like to do it. I didn't like to do the outreach. I didn't like to do the sales calls. I didn't like to do any of that shit. So I just stopped. Like I don't know how else to explain it. For me, I don't do things for the money. I don't think anyone should, and I think anyone that tries to will eventually fail because they'll get bored of it. So I'm not doing an email marketing agency anymore. I also want to take 1 online course, which I did. I also have a Telegram group chat, which is a free group chat where I just talk and mastermind with my followers and subscribers. There'll be a link down below if you want to join. I actually failed that goal. I also had a goal of getting 5 Forex sales, and I'm going to make a video on Forex, like a separate video. This might come out, like the Forex video might come out before or after this one, so it will be there. And I wanted to get an X amount of sales, and I absolutely crushed that goal. So, like I said, the email marketing agency was supposed to take a lot of my time. In fact, I wasn't even supposed to be trading Forex at this point, which, yeah, I'm trading now. But I am, so that's also new. So let me tell you guys my May goals so you guys can kind of see where my headspace is at now. I still have goals for YouTube and Instagram, as in how many subs or followers I want to get. I'm still reading a book a week, so 4 books. My goal, it's going to be funny. My goal for this month is to just upload 4 YouTube videos. I want to have 4 high quality videos with a lot of value in them. No fluff, no BS, just 4 videos of me saying some real shit. So this is number 1 or number 2. There will be 4 this month, hopefully. Finally, I have a goal of hitting a certain number. I don't want to publicly put the number out there, but a certain number, a dollar amount of how much I want to make from Forex sales. So this is sales for the Forex group chat that we have. Again, there will be a whole separate video explaining that, but I have that as a goal, as well as I want to start running ads for certain things. So I have already started running some ads. So these are Facebook ads as well as Instagram ads. I believe it was like 2 weeks ago, I spent like $600 that week just on ads and influencer marketing. So I'm really going hard on, growing my brand. That's what I'm really trying to do during this quarantine season. So that's another thing. And yeah, kind of like what I want to touch about is like, it's still weird. Like it's still quarantine. In terms of making money, like I said, like I'm not doing an email marketing agency anymore. I just don't like it. I don't find it passionate. I literally invested $1,000 into a course to learn how to start an email marketing agency. I put the money down. I wasn't screwing around, but I don't like it. So I'm not gonna do something I don't like. Um, and I'll also be honest, like before, I used to be like a productivity freak. I used to work so many hours a day, you know, like 80-hour weeks, sometimes even more. But I'll be honest, like with quarantine, like I've just been able to relax a lot more. Like literally, I've started like I watched TV shows. I watched The Witcher and Altered Carbon. I recommend both of those, by the way. But like literally, I've just been kind of just chilling, taking it a bit more easy, and just doing my thing. You know, just I'll read. I'll still like have some of my habits. I stopped journaling. Um, I stopped meditating as well, which I think I might get back into. But for the most part, like it's just kind of like cool. Like it's like this is everything's just kind of on pause. With that being said, that pretty much wraps up this video. I know it was a bit of a short one. I usually have videos that are at least 10 minutes long, but for this one, it's just short. And yeah, straight to the point. That's what I'm doing. That's how I'm making money. So yeah, make sure you check out the Forex video. If it's not already out, then wait and it will be out. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video and you got some insights from it, some updates or whatever, leave a like, hit that notification bell, subscribe down below. Because guys, if you guys subscribe and leave likes on my videos, I promise I will put out more videos. Another reason why I stopped and I really didn't like, I got demotivated to upload every day is because like I'd upload a video and it'd get like, I don't know, like 16 views and like no likes, and I was kind of like, well shit, like what's the point of doing this if I can just post an Instagram story and get like hundreds of views? So that's kind of where my headspace was at. But yeah, leave a like and DM me on Instagram if you saw this video, and yeah.